Well, guys, I bought another Speed.
I got Philly, I think her name Nikki, and I fuck with Nikki, cause she not too picky, and she not too juicy, but sometimes she bougie, I play with a kitty.
Jeez. A little cold start for you? It's a little bright.
Hopefully it's not smoky.
It's gonna be nice and smoky.
No, dude, it didn't smoke the other day when we started it. There's also no oil in here. Come on, dude.
Come on!
We're gonna push her out. Dude. Who wrapped this one?
Probably me.
Was it you?
I did wrap a door handle. Oh wait, there's 4 door handles?
Yeah, whoever wrapped those did horrible.
I did one, so.
This side's good over here.
That's probably the one I did.
Those are probably mine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm sure.
Alright, so this one isn't the... It's the GT, right? That one's the GT, right? No, yours is the GT.
Yours is a GT.
Mine's the GT.
Wait, do you have cloth seats?
No.
Oh, then yours is in a GT. Mine's a GT.
Then what's mine?
Not a GT.
But how's it have the button to unlock it from the outside?
It's probably a GT.
Alright, well anyway, this one's definitely not a GT because it's got cloth, no navigation. It does have a Pokemon card though.
What happened?
That'll come with the car if we give it away. And it doesn't have the button. So we're always giving Brandon crap because his buttons don't work. Do they?
Yeah.
No. His buttons do work.
Speed, guys.
Yeah, so, I mean, that's it going on in here. I gotta get a new windshield because the person that installed this one put a Mazda 6 windshield in.
Stupid.
We all know it's a Speed, but you can't see the VIN
Come on.
number.
Can't you tell?
Because the VIN is a little lower, I think, or it's over here or something. So I gotta get a brand new windshield, which sucks, but Brandon's gonna tint this. We're gonna go 5% on the front.
On the windshield?
Yeah. 35.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
We can do 5.
Yeah, because that's 20. You can't see in that, so. As you can tell, he put the kit on himself, because look at the body gaps up there.
Yeah, these body gaps are atrocious. What are you doing?
Nothing.
I don't know if I mentioned, but the body on this thing is like perfect. There's literally no dents or anything at all. As you guys know, this one's pretty dented up. I mean, the only real dents is the front bumper, but like the doors and everything are just like flawless. Wipers work.
Wrong one. Other
Sorry man, I've never driven a Speed.
Yeah, I can tell.
Oh, listen to that. So I do have an access port, but it's not plugged in. It runs kind of rough. It needs an oil change and spark plugs for sure. So we'll do that here shortly, but I don't know. It sounds good. The motor sounds healthy. It just does some weird pops and bangs. Okay, so these are the taillights that I got. They're the same ones that are on my silver car, except these ones have like a dancing thing. So when you turn the car on, they'll do some like dance sequence, which will be cool. And I think that's what these little boxes are for. So we're gonna toss these in real quick. Should be pretty quick because the taillights are already out. What are you doing, dude?
Just kind of creeping back here.
Also got a new grill from Japan. It's not the best, but we're gonna match Brandon and get the Mazda logo delete because this one's all cracked and broke. So this one's not bolted, so we should be able to just toss this one on real quick. Two Speeds look so cute together. All right, out with the old. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. I need to grab some bolts and then we'll put it on. Thought we put them right here.
Just getting the hardware in this grill real quick.
Kevin just asked.
How many of us took L's on Apple? Everybody.
Asked if.
Beautiful right now, dude.
Did I?
Yeah, your skin looks amazing. Wow. Wow, dude. What's going on back here, dude?
Just looking for bolts.
Pretty neat looking car though, dude. That you got there.
Thanks.
Mazda, huh?
Bought her like this.
Yes, sir.
This thing fixed worse. Crap.
Yeah, well, it was cheap, alright?
Must be a rep.
They're up for sure.
Yeah, because I ordered my one from Speedline. If anyone from Speedline watches this video, they can kiss my pale white ass, because...
Your pale white butt, dude.
Cute. I don't know, dude. I think I like the badge better, but I'm not gonna order another one with the badge.
I think it would look better if it was on the ground.
Yeah, it'll look better when it's not like.
Yeah, it needs to be slammed. All right, well, while I've been gone, it's been a while since I've filmed a video. We got these sick t-shirts, no mistakes, and if you see on the back, it's like a spacey, retro, arcade style Speed, designed by Jack. So these things are gonna be for sale. I'm working on a new website, so while we're waiting on the website to be built, you guys can just message me on Instagram if you want one. I have like small, or no, I have extra small all the way up to like 5XL. So
Killing this mirror.
more dirt, less rust.
Yeah.
We gotta.
No.
Fuck, look.
Can you believe that?
Dude, I was gonna leave it until we go wide.
It's left. I mean, it wasn't sticking, but.
Well, this thing's clapped.
I didn't even touch that bottom part.
Let's cut to the shirts, dude.
Am I rolling? 21. Fucking am I rolling? I'm a fucking am I rolling? I'm rolling. Fucking a rover. Fucking a rover. I'm a fucking a rover. 21. Been a bitch over. Been a bitch over. I'm a been a bitch over. Fuck on the sofa. Fuck on the sofa. Fuck on the sofa. I smashed the stripper in the hotel with my chains on. I'm playing with a kitty with my BBS rings on. Shouted saving hoes. Told that boy put his cape on. My partner down the road. I'm talking to him on Tango. I put that bitch in a Porsche. I bought that bitch in New York. I'm scraping the boat.
How many bolts hold these on? I don't remember.
Just
This thing is a gnarly unit, dude.
Dude, where's the last bolt?
it's not a bolt. You just pull.
Oh. Are you sure? Oh, okay. Good job, Wendon.
Blended. Those fit real nice, honestly.
Dude, these are nice. These are like the latest version.
Wow, guys, would you look at this? This is honestly insane. First set in the world.
First.
Honestly, don't know anyone else who are running the new
I haven't
version.
seen the dance sequence one.
No, but gonna look great on this sky blue.
Nice.
Whoa,
Yeah.
is that for the brake light or for the brake light or the other halo?
The brake light.
Almost ruined your foot, dude.
Just ruined my nice shoes. Yeah, but look at these bad boys. Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
How's it going?
It's going real good. Basically, they forgot to give us the wire, so luckily I know how to wire.
He knows how to wire. This guy knows how to wire, right?
So-
You're this guy.
Well, I know how to wire, but the problem is I didn't have any wire. So I got this fancy plug from an old wiring harness I had, and we're taking some of the wiring off of this, and
Reduce, reuse, recycle, boys and girls.
yep. Look at that tuck job.
It's a nice tuck job.
Good looking tuck.
That thing sounds nuts.
There's a crazy pro-charged Mustang over there behind Jack. Yeah. You know you got a pro wirist, wireologist.
Wireology sounds right.
When-
Stop making stuff up, Brandon.
When he can strip wires without wire strippers, he just uses these.
You're good at stripping stuff down.
He's good at stripping stuff down. On eye contact,
Like oranges,
oranges,
orange peels.
watermelons,
Those don't strip. Lemons.
lemons, limes, lasagna,
Potatoes.
green bean
Lasagna.
casserole.
What, dude?
Okay, most satisfying thing in the world. Here we go.
You gotta put that in slow-mo.
Yeah, that's hot.
Nice.
There's one.
Good rip, dude.
Dude, these look so much better.
Oosh. Whoa.
Man, she's popping on Polestar, dude.
Is that a cam, dude?
That's something, man.
When did you put the cams in, dude?
A few weeks ago.
Nice.
You'll definitely want to see the thing. Oh, look at that. Dude, that's so sick.
this fucking snowmobile.
Dude, good form. Good freaking form, dude.
Nice.
Dude, talk about a speed gang.
We gotta do a vote for which ones are the best.
The best speed?
The best taillights.
Oh. We'll just talk.
He's got version 1 with the little individual LEDs. I got version 2 that are pretty similar to the third ones. Oh, they just turned off.
Oh.
And version 3, these are for sure the nicest.
They look.
And they dance.
They look the same right here, honestly.
Oh yeah, they look the same.
They look so clean. Mainly because they are clean, but
I think it's because the car is so clean.
yeah.
We need to ceramic coat it.
Do that one video where like
This has to be the thumbnail. All right, well, that's gonna be this video. If you guys want a shirt, message me on Instagram, Austin B Burner, and I'll get you guys one. Just let me know the size and stuff. Next video, we're probably gonna be slamming this. Yeah, we're for sure gonna be slamming this because it needs to look like those two. Let me know if you guys want me to give this car away because we probably will, just because I don't need 2 speeds. Yeah, so that's gonna be this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys want to say anything?
No, I'm good.
Want to say anything?
have a great day.
Tell them to buy the shirt.
Buy the shirt.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a sick shirt. Hold on, turn
Support
around.
us. Support us.
Damn, what the heck?
I feel like Michael Jackson, moonwalking through the Calabasas. Louis bag, gotta hold the ratchet, just in case a nigga wants some.
Dude, the fucking antenna fell off.